Hi store owners! Today I want to show you something really handy if you sell wholesale. How to stop a percentage discount from applying to just one product. Maybe you've got an item that's already priced razor thin and you don't want your wholesale discount cutting into it any further. I'll show you exactly where to find this setting and how it works. Before we dive in, just a quick note on what you'll need. This only works if you've got Wholesale Prices Premium active on your site. You can see it right here in my plugins list. You'll also need at least one percentage-based discount already set up, either on a wholesale role or a product category, since that's what we're going to override. So here I am editing one of my products. This one's called Street Sweeper Pants. If I look over in the Publish box on the right and scroll down a little, there's a section called Wholesale Pricing Options. That's where these two checkboxes live, and that's what we're going to use today. The first checkbox is Disregard Product Category Level Wholesale Discount. I'll go ahead and check that. This tells the plugin to ignore any percentage discount set at the category level for this one product, but it won't touch a wholesale price I've entered directly on the product itself. Now I'll check the second box too. Disregard Wholesale Role Level Wholesale Discount. This one blocks the percentage discount tied to a wholesale role, so no matter which role a customer has, that discount won't apply here. And I can check either one on its own or both together depending on what I want to exclude. Once I've got the boxes checked the way I want, I just click Update to save it. And there it is! Product updated right at the top, and both checkboxes are still ticked. This works the same way on variable products too. Checking the box applies to every variation, not just one. So that's it. 2 checkboxes, and you've got full control over which percentage discounts apply to a specific product. Just remember, retail customers are never affected by any of this. It only changes what wholesale customers see. I'll link the full article below if you want to read through the details again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.